In continuation with our journal entries format, today we are going to see about the owner of the bill. See, in last videos we discussed about credit sales or credit purchase, bill drawn and accepted, and after that we discussed about options used by a drawer. After using the options, then on due date or maturity date, there may be two options. Either drawee honors the bill or maybe drawee dishonors the bill. First, we assume that if drawee makes the payment of the bill on due date, then it is known as drawee is honoring the bill. See, in the books of drawer, again you are seeing on the screen four entries, written four options are there. Why these types of entries are there? Because entries in the books of drawer depends on which option he previously used for that particular bill. If previously he used the option retain the bill, means if on due date the bill is there with the drawer, he is getting the payment of the bill. That's why cash or bank account is debited, because he is getting payment. No need to again tell you that why cash or bank account is debited, because drawer is getting the payment of the bill. And now he is cutting the name of the drawee from confirmed debtor. Why? Because bill get annual honor. That's why bills receivable account is credited. So entry in case of retained bill in the books of drawer is cash or bank account debit to bills receivable account. Then in case of discounting the bill, there is no entry in the books of drawer. Why? First of all, tell me, in case of discounting the bill, who is the owner of the bill? Who is the owner? Yes, bank. Bank is the owner of the bill. Who will get the payment of the bill? Bank. Drawer is not the owner and drawer is not getting the payment of the bill. That's why he will not pass the entry, because for him transaction end by transferring the bill to bank only. He is not concerned with the payment of the bill, so there is no entry in the books of drawer. Same explanation is there for endorsement. But can you tell me the meaning of endorsement? Yes, endorsement means transferring the bill to third party. That third party is known as endorsee. Now, can you tell me who is the owner of the bill in case of endorsement? Endorsee. Who will get the payment of the bill? Endorsee. Here, drawer is not getting the payment of the bill. Drawer is not the owner of the bill. That's why there will be no entry in the books of drawer. I think these two are clear to you. Then next is bill sent to bank for collection. Here, again think about ownership. Who is the owner of the bill? Yes, drawer only. Why? Because here drawer is not transferring his ownership to any other person. He is just giving or depositing the bill into the bank for collection. Bank acts as collection agent. So bank collect the amount of the bill and deposited in drawer's account. So entry is that bank account debit, bank charges. Why bank charges? Because bank charges some amount for collection and those charges are expenses for the drawer. That's why bank charges account debit to bill sent to bank for collection. See, when we use the option at that time, when we send the bill to bank for collection, at that time what entry we passed? Bill sent to bank for collection account debit to bills receivable. Means here we open separate account as bill sent to bank for collection. When we get the payment of the bill, at that time we have to credit bill sent to bank for collection account. Why? Because now this account's need is over, because we are getting the payment of the bill. That's why entry in the books of drawer is bank account debit, bank charges account debit to bill sent to bank for collection. So from this you can analyze that, or you can conclude that drawer pass the entry only 2 times in case of honoring the bill. When retain the bill is there and when bill sent to bank for collection. In short, in these two cases, drawer is the only owner of the bill. That's why only in these two cases we have to pass the entries. In discounting and endorsement case, we don't pass entries in the books of drawer because drawer is not the owner of the bill. Drawer is not getting the payment of the bill. Is it clear? Now move to drawee. Yes, this honor the bill entry is there in the books of drawee also because drawee is the person who is the making the payment of the bill. Drawee discharge his liability. That's why he will pass the entry bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. Drawee is making payment of the bill. Money goes out from either drawee's cash or in the form of cash or maybe from in the form of check. That's why credit what goes out or credit the giver. By following this rule, we credit cash or bank account. After that, I wrote here as above in all the three cases, discounting, endorse and bill sent to bank. Why? Because entry remains in the drawee same. Bills payable account, debit to cash or bank account. Whatever options used by the drawer, entry in the books of drawee is same bills payable account, debit to cash or bank account because drawee is not concerned with all these four options. What is the duty of the drawee? That the person who will present the bill, that person may be either drawer or maybe bank or maybe endorsee or any other person. What is the duty of the drawee? Just make the payment of the bill who present the bills of exchange. That's why he will pass only one entry, bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. I hope you understood all the four options honor the bill. In next, we will discuss about dishonor of the bill. Thank you.